G'day everybody. Bitcoin today, April the 19th. Let's have a look at what's going on. Okay, we had the drop down yesterday, which we talked about, breaking this triangle, and we knew we were going to see some sort of action. And what happened is we dumped down to $38,500. And then we had a bit of a recovery. And then in the last few hours, a pump back to the upside. So we're back above the trend line at 40,800 and bouncing off some resistance level here at 41,000. Bitcoin moving nicely, but starting to have a bit of a rollover here. So it looks like we might see a little bit of side action around the $41,000 mark. Ribbons have flipped green, which is good to see. So we had some nice strong volume to support this move. Why did this happen? Why did we drop and then quickly rebound? Well, basically all this drop did was take out the stop losses. So we took out a lot of stop losses for people that were longing Bitcoin, and they were liquidated yesterday. So you just need to ask yourself, who would benefit from taking out stop losses with a drop and then a rebound to the upside? And then you'll probably find the people that were behind yesterday's dump just taking out the stop losses and then rebounding back to the upside and moving along again. This is on the hourly, so if we go off the hourly and jump over to the 4 hourly, and we can see the candles, nice strong volume, back to the upside movement. The only thing we don't like to see here is that we did create a lower low, which is a continuation of the downtrend. So we have this downtrend, now we have a lower low, so a continuation of the downtrend, and at the moment, moving back to the upside. So what we did like to see though was this big, strong volume candles. Let's have a quick look at the VMC. And on the 4 hourly, we'll see that the stochastic RSI is around about 80, RSI is 56, price to volume indicator is at 23. Now, generally when the price to volume indicator gets around the 20, it'll level off and have some kind of retracement. So with RSI, stochastic, volume indicator, all at these levels, it's only normal that we'll see some leveling out, possible retracement of the current price value. That's in the short term on the 4 hourly. We go to the daily. Let's have a look on the daily, and we see green candle and half decent volume. The interesting thing here on the daily is we have RSI at 45 on the daily is not too bad. Stochastic at 27, which is good, and overall still moving upwards. RSI still moving upwards, and the momentum wave here moving upwards. Volume to price indicator only at 1.4. So that's got a lot of potential to continue to move to the upside. Sometime today, we could see this red wave turn into a green wave with increasing price to volume momentum on the yellow indicator. If this movement was to continue on the daily, we would expect our price to be at least back to the $42,500 testing level and possibly moving up towards the 45. And as we said before, if we were to break down, 37,000 would be a level that we might be looking to hit. So on the hourly, we're above the EMA ribbons, which have flipped green. We've got this pump and we're starting to roll over. You can see the roll here. Very easy to see the rollover being so high. When the RSI hits such a high level, things are going to cool off and we're going to have a rollover like this. So after a bit of a breather, we'll see what comes next for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin at the moment sitting at $40,800. So let's get off the charts and have a look at the crypto bubbles. Today's big mover, GMT, just moving up and up and up, 30% today. So if you've been following Steppen, you'll see that Steppen is just moving up and up and up. Steppen is stepping up. That's what they're doing. GMT up 30%. Listen to see when their NFT comes out to see what effect that has on their price. So the Steppen token up 30%. Crypto Fear and Greed, 24, Extreme Fear. Crypto Heat Map, plenty of red, a little bit of green splashed around. Liquidations, $322 million of liquidations. 156 million of longs liquidated and 117 million of shorts liquidated. And when we come over and have a quick look at the news of the day, we can see Hyundai becomes the first car manufacturer to release community NFTs. So the South Korean company creating NFTs for Hyundai car buyers. A similar approach was taken by Ferrari and McLaren end of last year. So we can see NFTs coming into the car space. And Hyundai being a South Korean company, just going along with South Korea's adoption of NFTs. NFTs being very popular in South Korea. Another interesting article here, MetaMask issues a warning following the $650,000 iCloud phishing scam. The DeFi wallet is advising users to disable iCloud backups to prevent future scams. So they've linked the scam to the iCloud backup. So that's an interesting article. If you have MetaMask, they're recommending to disconnect your iCloud backup. A good pointer from MetaMask there. Tether continues to blow up, and so does Terra. Terra becomes the third largest stablecoin, and the price is moving up as we speak. Back to Bitcoin, and we see Bitcoin on the hourly, having a bit of a breather at the moment, creating a doji candle here. We'll have to see which way this candle decides to move. We do have a super trend buy indicator here, which has come in with the green ribbons flipping. But what we also have is decreasing volume. So no great amount of strength to this move at the moment. So an interesting level to get to would be the $42,400 level if Bitcoin continues to move upwards. And this is the level where we will expect some resistance and sideways action, because this is a pretty strong level, this one here. So all in all, Bitcoin has recovered well from yesterday's dump at $40,850 up at the moment, and most of the market starting to move green. So if you like this quick crypto update, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out, and we'll talk again soon. Bye for now.